Pacific Northwest. Temperature's supposed to get into the high 60s. It's currently 62 degrees in Bellevue, 64 degrees in Montlake, and 66 degrees in SeaTac.
It's time to get up. We gotta go to school.
I'm not going to school. It's like garbage.
You're skipping again, aren't you?
No.
You're such a faker.
Senior year is a meat grinder. SATs, college essays. What are you doing with your life? It's like the world's trying to turn you into a resume. Work hard, play hard. That's what they say, right? But what if you're working so hard you forget to live? I mean, Bezos didn't build an empire by answering every email.
Bahia attendance, this is Terry. How may I help you?
Hi, it's Ferris Bueller. I can't come in today. I have a temperature and a busted hernia.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I hope that you feel better. Bye.
And today, we play.
If I have one more test this week, I'm gonna throw up.
Cam, it's 67 degrees outside in Washington. That's rarer than a Mariners playoff game.
I have an AP Chem exam to prepare for, a National Honor Society meeting, and an essay to write today.
Yeah, you also have a pulse. Let's use it. Come get me.
I'm not coming. I've got calc, my college applications.
Cam, we're burning daylight. Seattle's calling. You need to reset. Pick me up.
Seattle? That's 2 hours away.
We'll be back before your parents even know you're gone. Trust me.
Trust you? That's how horror movies start.
Fine.
Bahia attendance, this is Terry. How can I help you?
Hello? I need my son Sloan to be dismissed at 8:15 due to a family emergency.
Oh, perfect. 8:15? Yes, I can do that. I will get a pass.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Could you take this to Sloan, please? Of course. Thank you.
Adams, here. Anderson, here. Baker, here. Bueller, 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 Bueller. Sloan.
Is Ferris Bueller out again today?
Yes.
I'm leaving.
Okay.
Where is he going?
His dad said there was a family emergency.
Aren't he and Ferris best of friends?
Yep.
Something isn't right here. This has got Bueller's name written all over it. I don't understand why good kids continue to follow his bad example.
It's because they think he's a righteous dude.
Ferris? No!
Land ho! Hey Cameron, you look like you just realized your GPA is lower than a sloth's marathon time.
I don't get it, Ferris. School is like a prison where the bars are made up of high GPAs and lots of extracurriculars. I don't know how to escape.
Easy, my friend. The key to success is balance. Work hard, but also play hard.
Hey, quick photo.
Bueller balance? Really?
We should go back. We're risking everything for a field trip without permission slips.
Life is short, but the Smith Tower is tall. It all balances out.
Ferris, I don't feel so good. Can we leave?
Here, everybody try this. Oh man, isn't it great? Feels like we're above everything. The stress, GPA, life after high school. Up here, everything seems so small. Exactly. Come on, let's go. We have a lot to do. Hey, I have an idea. Let's all get a gumball.
I'm good.
Ooh, I got a purple one.
Ooh, I got a purple one. Yo, loosen up.
What did Ferris do this time?
He skipped again.
So, it's his life. Let him fail Jim. Why do you care so much?
Because he never takes anything seriously, and I'm stuck being the responsible one while he's goofing off in Seattle.
Yeah, but that's not your circus, not your monkey.
Hey, batter, batter, batter. Hey, batter, 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 batter. Sweet batter. Oh, I'll take a dog.
How many of those have you eaten? Don't you worry about your cholesterol?
The thing about ballparks, it's a lot like life. The sights, the sounds, the smells, the snacks, and every once in a while you get a curveball. But when you least expect it, you get that home run. Now, I'm gonna go get a dog.
I haven't felt this light in years.
We're not ditching the grind, Cam. Just reminding ourselves we're human. Balance isn't a luxury, it's a survival tactic.
You know, we still have a paper due tomorrow.
Of course you, Cam. This is a mental health day. It's okay to take a break every once in a while, as long as you get back on track, right, Ferris?
Yeah, balance. That's the trick, huh?
So you're telling me life's like a group project, with no one to carry me? Nah, I get it. Work makes the play feel earned.
Hashtag Bueller Balance is trending on social media? He's in Seattle and not homesick? I knew it! I'll show him balance between suspension and expulsion. Miss T, get me Bueller's home phone number now!
Jenny, wait.
This is the call. One word from me and you're toast.
I get it now. Life's not about dodging school and chasing fun. It's about earning the fun too.
Wow. Growth and guilt? Who are you and what have you done with Ferris?
Good afternoon. Yeah, I have a question for you. I just wanted to check and see if Ferris was homesick today.
Yeah, Ferris was home sick all day. Fever. Totally gross.
Thank you. Thank you.
What?
I always thought if you weren't having fun, you were doing it wrong. But part of the fun is earning it. Turns out life moves pretty fast, and sometimes you've got to hustle to keep up. Now, if you excuse me, I have to write a 500-word essay about The Great Gatsby by tomorrow. Still here? Don't go anywhere. We still have Xenomorphs. Just wait.